Imagine yourself with no money. We're on the brink of another economic crisis and you need to protect your wealth. Are you prepared? My name is John Burra, teacher, programmer, and entrepreneur. I remember 2008, the last financial crisis, very well. I was poor, unhappy, and underemployed. If only I had the knowledge in 2008 that I have now, knowledge that would have helped me achieve financial success. Imagine if you knew how to become financially stable in any economic state. Bull market, bear market, economic boom, or Great Recession. Whether you want to make extra money on the side or become financially stable, Wall Street Coder is the #1 path anyone can take for financial success. Today, we are introducing the most revolutionary course that will teach you how to code and make money at the same time. Learning to code is the most desirable skill that employers want today and most importantly, tomorrow. Best of all, you can learn this from the comfort of your couch. Today, we're in the largest bull market of history, and research shows that we might be headed for a Great Recession in 3 years. Wall Street Coder is the #1 course that you'll need to take to survive it. Wall Street Coder isn't just a course, it is a bundle of courses that will teach beginners and professionals and cover everything from basics to advanced techniques. Some of the best traders on Wall Street are required to learn Python and machine learning. Why? Because machine learning and algorithmic trading is the next gold rush. Don't miss out and pledge today. You'll be among the first students that will learn the best practices of programming, data science, machine learning, and most importantly, automated algorithmic trading. What is algorithmic trading and why is it important? Algorithmic trading is the process of using pre-written code to automatically make trades on the stock market. It's been around for a long time, but in recent years there's been one major change. That change is machine learning. Machine learning makes algorithmic trading exponentially more accurate and reliable. Wall Street Coder will show you how to unlock the secrets of machine learning and use it for algorithmic trading. If you feel like technology is moving too fast, you're not alone. Thousands of hardworking people feel like their skills are stagnating as the workforce moves into two camps: people that can code and people that can't. We're here to put an end to that. By pledging for Wall Street Coder today, you'll get the best course for the skills of the next decade. This course is personal for me. I see the same thing happening in 2019 that I did in 2008. I don't want any of my students to suffer. Even programmers are not crisis-proof. Only the right coders with the right skills will be employed. Will you be one of them? So who are we? Mammoth Interactive has sold over 600,000 courses worldwide. Check out these reviews. If you want to make extra money on the side or protect your wealth, this bundle is for you. Pledge today as spots are limited. This bundle costs about a week's worth of coffee. Check out this amazing price. This price is only available on Kickstarter, and we're putting out this bundle to make a difference in your life. Thanks for listening. You can check out our rewards below, and you can get a deal on our other bundles in the rewards section. If you're from an institution, you can check out our institution pricing. Remember, you get lifetime access to all the bundles that you purchase. There are no subscriptions. Buy the only course that will help you code your way through the next economic crisis.